that's a nice name. Is it short for Charette, honey? Yeah. Yep. Are you leaving already? Yes, why? Would you like to come with? Fine. Great! I can't wait. But only for an hour. Alrighty. Sons! You're an uncle now. This is Charette, honey.
Boop. Well, that's new. Hello? Hello? Who are you? Grandpa, you have a funny accent.
Are you sure you'll be okay at Miss Toriel's while I attend my meeting?
I'll be fine, Papa.
Thank you for agreeing to watch Charectony on such short notice, Toriel.
It's no problem. I have just one question. I thought you and Sans were the only skeletons. Where did Charectony come from?
Oh, we skeletons have the ability to raise the dead.
Oh. Where did you resurrect them from, then?
The ruins. I thought it was a strange place for a child's body, so I figured whoever left them wouldn't mind if they got up and left.
Papa, you fool! Would they have any memories from when they were alive?
Possibly. It depends on a number of factors.
Well, Oh, I'll tell you later. Right now, you need to go to your meeting, or you'll be late.
Oh, you're right. We'll talk later. Bye, Tara. I love you. I'll be back before bedtime.
Papa, that's so embarrassing. I love you too. So, I'm guessing you have questions. Do you remember me, my child? Yeah. Chara, what's wrong? Are you not happy to see me? To be alive again? I am. I just didn't want you to know because I was worried that everything would get more complicated. No, why would it complicate things? Because Papa Papyrus is my real, literal papa. What? How so? Where am I?
You're awake? Flowey was right. You are a Charectony. We're in Waterfall because you need a bath, my skeleton. Don't worry, I got you. Scrub, scrub.
What's going on?
Well, I gave you a new soul so you could live again. It's mostly made of my magic right now, but in a few months you'll have your own fully formed soul.
Can I see it?
No, monster souls can't be removed.
So, if my soul is mostly made of your magic, does that make you my papa?
Yes, I am your papa. Sorry if I squished your sponlet. I'm just really happy.
Does he do that a lot?
Yes.
Papa, I'm soggy. Soggy clothes feel weird on bones.
Don't worry, Tara. If Hotland is good for anything, it's drying clothes.
I can walk, you know.
Checking. Actually, you can't yet. We're going to R3 if you want to keep following us. Okay.
Is there anything else important I need to know about being a skeleton now?
Well, for the first 2 months, your soul will still be developing. It will be fully formed by the start of the 3rd month. In addition, for the next 4 months, we can't be far apart for too long, as your soul needs support from my ambient magic.
Huh. Being a skeleton is weird. I see. Well, I'm not sure if you've heard, but Frisk has a human dad. Him and I co-parent Frisk. If you're okay with it, I could talk to Papyrus and work out something similar. Okay. Wonderful. I will make dinner. You two play in the meantime.
Meanwhile,
Papyrus, you revived my dead child.
oh,
Now there's a genocide, the monster inside, the voices in your head. They're telling you to wash away the crimson stains, to leave us all for dead. I know a way that you can cut every last tie. The friends you made, oh, could you uncover them tight? And I can see it in your smile and in your eyes. There's no compassion, no